Hi, my name is Alex Bell, and I make Twitch tutorial videos to help streamers grow faster. Today is March 13th, 2026, and in this video, I'm going to explain what actually happens if you buy Twitch followers, and I'll also show you how you can do it step by step safely. If you are trying to reach Twitch affiliate or partner, this method can help boost your channel visibility. So let's get started. What happens if I buy Twitch followers? First, let's talk about what really happens when you buy Twitch followers. When you buy followers, the number on your channel increases, which can make your stream look more popular. This can help in a few ways. First, social proof. When new viewers visit your channel and see that you already have followers, they are more likely to stay and watch your stream. Second, channel credibility. A channel with more followers looks more established compared to a brand new channel with 0 followers. Third, better discovery. More followers can help your channel appear more active and can attract organic viewers who are browsing Twitch categories. However, it's important to use reputable services because low-quality followers can disappear or look suspicious. That's why many streamers prefer trusted providers like Followers Panda, which has been around for years. Buying Twitch followers. Now let me show you how to buy Twitch followers step by step. Once you're on the home page, go to the menu options and click Buy Twitch Followers. Now you will see different follower packages. Choose the package you like. For this example account, I'm buying 100 followers. Next, click Buy Now. You will be redirected to the checkout page. Here, enter your Twitch username and your email address, then click Proceed to Checkout. After that, a verification code will be sent to your email. Copy the code from your email and paste it on the verification page. Now create a password and click Proceed to Checkout again. On the final checkout page, recheck your username, then choose your preferred payment method. Followers Panda supports credit cards, debit cards, PayPal, and even crypto payments. Once the payment is completed, the system will process your order. And within a few minutes, your Twitch followers will start appearing on your channel. As you can see here, the followers have already started arriving. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Twitch growth guides. I'll see you in the next video.